once again to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Amanda, remote YouTuber based in Warri, precisely in the Kakome here in Delta State of Nigeria. Alright, I'm in YouTuber based in Warri. Like I said, if you're watching and not subscribe, please subscribe. You're not going to miss out on anything whatsoever. Alright, so this is my cooking channel. I'll be showing you lots of cookings that I do, how to prepare a lot of Nigerian food, and if possible intercontinental food, that kind of thing. Okay, so in today's video I'll be showing you how I make my ogbono soup. Ogbono soup is more like a seed. I don't have the ready-made seed here. I have the blended or grinded one. I'll show you how I will be doing it. Alright, so quickly let me show you. This is the blended ogbono. Okay, I just sent my girl to blend it for me. This is blended ogbono. I sent my girl to blend for me. Right, so guys, this is the blended ogbono that I sent my girl to blend for me. Now on fire here, I have my meats that is steaming, and I already added oil. Okay, so I added oil. I have meat already in it. I'll be using fish, adding my Maggi cube. Okay, just 1 cube. I'll add my Maggi cube in here, and a little bit of salt. Just add it because the meat I steamed with salt, so I'm not going to add too much of salt. Just test as you go though. Okay, so you add salt. So like I said, in here you have water, my beef meat, okay, oil, palm oil, yeah. And I have another channel, that's Mandy and Family. There I showed you, one kind of like palm oil factory that we have. So I already have my meat, oil boiling, what's it called, palm oil. Now at this stage I will just add in my ogbono. Okay, I don't do any measurements, so I'll just add it in straight. Add, and then I prefer using, what's it called, my stick, wooden stick to stir. So I'll be stirring. I'll just let it boil for some time, yeah. Then I'll come back to show you guys how far it's going. Alright guys, so I'll be adding my pepper. It's just getting dark right now. I'll add my pepper. We do a lot of pepper here, so I'll add pepper. I'll add my pepper to it, and then give it a little bit of stir. I'm seeing that my oil is too much, but okay. I'll stir and let it pour for some time. Then I'll come back and show you guys what else. I'll be adding okra as well though. I'll show you at what stage I'll add it. We don't put onion in Nigerian ogbono, at least I don't do. Okay, so I'll show you guys what's up, what happened. So my ogbono is boiling very well, guys. It's boiling seriously. I'm still giving a stir. Okay, it's getting thick. Let me use a spoon so that you see the thickness in it. Okay, so this is my spoon. It's supposed to draw very well, guys. It depends. The quantity of ogbono you put in your soup is dependent on how much soup you want to make. Okay, this is a soup for a couple of days. I don't have like proper fridge. I store my things, and so just for a couple of days, a day or two. Okay, so that's why I didn't put a lot of ogbono in it. At the stage that we are in now is just to add our okra. Okay, and then voila, food is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll show you. I'll go ahead, please watch to the very end. Let me just show you how it is done. Fish I'll be using to put ogbono. I was supposed to put it before now. It's just coming in now, so I have to steam for it. You steam the meat, the fish together. Okay, so this is the wrong time to put it, but what do? I'll put it now, and then just mix everything together, and put my okra. Okay, so this is the soup. This is how my okra looks like. It's gonna be chopped. Yeah, when it's chopped, I'll show you how it's chopped. When it's chopped, and then we'll go right from there. Guys, because I'm putting my fish later, I'll just add a little bit of water into it, and then allow the soup to steam a little bit more so that the meat can steam. The fish, sorry, is roasted fish, so it's not going to take a while for it to get cooked. Yeah, and then that's it. See you guys. when the food is ready, when I'm putting the okra and when the food is ready. Alright guys, so this is my okra. Unfortunately, we couldn't get like proper okra. Quite unfortunate. I'll just add it to my ogbono soup now. I'm holding my camera with my hand, so that's why you stir and then you test. Okay, so the food is ready. Like seriously, ogbono is one of the quickest and fastest food. If you are so hungry, you have the ogbono at home. This is one of the quickest. This is one of the quickest meal to make. Alright, so guys, this is the food. It's ready. I would show you guys when the kids are eating it and probably get a review from them. If you are watching and also please subscribe to my channel. You're not going to miss out on anything. Thank you so much. So in this video, I just showed you how I make my ogbono soup with already grounded ogbono, palm oil, meat and fish. There are times you need to put these things in though, but I did, this is just it. It's simple to make and it's a meal that you're going to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching and not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, like, do all this good stuff you do on YouTube channel. This is my bonus tip. So guys, I'm trying to make eba, gari. You can use gari and hot water. Just pour it for the ogbono soup. You put it in like this, okay? This is how we make our eba here in Nigeria. Please, it is how you make it. Please comment in the comment section. So the ogbono soup that I made, some people use fufu, some people use amala, but here in the southern part of Nigeria we tend to use more what's it called, gari. Some people still use fufu, like I said. In this house we use more of gari. I told you guys we're going to get a review from the kids to see how the food tastes, so that's basically what I'm trying to do. When you add after putting the gari like that, this is how you make eba in Nigeria. You add your hot water to it, okay? And you add your hot water to it, and so you turn the eba. We call this one eba turner. I don't know what's called in your place. You turn it like this. This is how you make eba in Nigeria, here in the southern part of Nigeria. You turn it this way, and yeah, that's it. I'll catch you when they are eating off. Joshua is munging and live as well. Can I see your faces, please? Hello, babes.
Hello. Please subscribe to my mom's channel.
Can I see Joshua's face as well?
Hello.
Hello. Can I see your face, please? And then there's Abby.
Hello.
It's quite dark because there's no light. Now I want to get an honest review. Like, tell me, is this ogbono soup sweet?
Yes.
Is it sweet? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Joshua, you like it?
Yeah.
Queen, do you like the soup and the eba? Alright, so this is eba that I was making the other time. This is the ogbono soup that I made. Okay, so they said they enjoyed it, they like it. We are not yet eating. Okay, we're not eating yet. So guys, thank you so much. See you guys. Alright guys, this is the ogbono. This I'm eating my own now. I'm eating it with agidi. And then this is my fish, this is my ogbono soup. Okay. I'm eating it, so just this soup is so tasty, very tasty. Alright, see you guys. Let me finish my food, okay? So this is how I prepare my ogbono soup. It's a very simple meal to make. If you enjoyed watching, please give my videos a thumbs up, like, share, do all those good studies on YouTube channel. Until I come your wickedness, and this Amanda Williams saying thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, do all those good stuff, okay? Until I come your wickedness, and this Amanda Williams saying God bless you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day wherever you are, a nice night rest.